Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have a super special penthouse to show you. It actually belongs to a friend of mine and he's going on vacation. So he's gonna rent it out for a period of between 3 and 6 months. It is a penthouse duplex just up from Mila de Oro. It is 3 bedrooms. It has an amazing rooftop deck, jacuzzi, and some of the best views in the city. This was a renovation he did 5 years ago. We found him this place and he gutted it, renovated it, and again, he's got epic views. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, as I said, our friend's going on a cruise and he wants to rent this out, obviously to the right person. We're gonna put all the info at the end screen as usual, but this is his personal home, and obviously we got to find the right client for this place. As I said earlier, it is going to be rented for anywhere for 3 to 6 months. It's a very special apartment. Again, the classic Medellin views here. He spared no expense to do this renovation. As I said in the intro, we found this apartment for him. I believe it was 5 years ago now. And he did an amazing job of opening it up. And opened it up so that he could get these epic views of the city here. As I mentioned, it's a penthouse duplex. And on the bottom floor, there is 2 bedrooms. There are 3 bathrooms downstairs and 3 bathrooms upstairs. He's put in a really beautiful kitchen here, as you can see. He loves to entertain in this apartment. Again, as I said, I've been at many parties here and had the privilege of staying here a few nights. He's so high up here in the building that he has air con, I believe, in the master bedroom, but you don't really need it here. It's very fresh. So he's got a really beautiful kitchen here, and then upstairs they have an outdoor kitchen. They've had caterers here many times who have loved using the facilities here. And they've got a little breakfast patio right here. All right, let's go over to the 2, I would call them guest bedrooms. His bedroom that he uses is upstairs. I have a little seating area here. He's got a TV on this side of the wall, and literally on this side here, he's got the frame TV. I love these TVs. As you can see, no shortage of TVs in this apartment. We've been to many parties and sporting events here. This is the first guest bedroom. And this patio opens up onto the kitchen patio where the little seating is. And as I said earlier, no shortage of TVs here. And then each bedroom has its own beautiful washroom. No touch toilets. You can use your foot there to flush the toilet. I believe it has a sensor also. And here he's put in beautiful rain shower. And if you're really tired from your run or workout, you can sit down on the shower bench right there. All right, let's take a look at the other bedroom through here. This is the second bedroom. Again, absolutely love these views of the city here. So as I said, he's renting this out for 3 to 6 months. I'm doing a favor here for a friend, but I know someone would absolutely love to stay here. So. And then they have a walk-in closet here. And another beautiful washroom here. Again with the no touch toilet. I think you just press right there. As I said, hands-free. Things I do for the channel. And here again they have a bench seat shower here. They have a rain shower up here. This is the bedroom I usually stay in when I come. And then he's got shower jets there, and again, beautiful bench area here with beautiful city views. Right down there is Mila de Oro, and then right over that way there is Mall Oviedo, and just in back here, over here, is Mall Santa Fe. So this is an amazing location. All right, this is gonna be a long one. So let's head upstairs to the entertainment deck. We'll take one last look at this beautiful bedroom here. Okay. Oh, yes. All the bedrooms here have aircon. Again, when I stayed here the night, I just opened the window. I didn't even need the aircon. Very breezy up this high. All right, let's head upstairs. Take one last look at the living room here. I just want to show you one more time the epic views from here. Some of the nicest city views for sure. let's head upstairs. Up here is where all the fun begins. All right. As I said, they have a beautiful outdoor kitchen up here. And as you can see, plenty of space to entertain here. And again, check out the views. Insanely beautiful city views here. I've been to many a birthday parties here. And over here, as you can see, one of the nicest vista jacuzzi views in the city. And he's done an amazing job with the furniture here. Oftentimes, he actually has one more deck. I guess it's actually more than a duplex. He has one more floor. We'll go up there in a few minutes. But let's take another look at this beautiful outdoor kitchen here. And very quiet because he's so high up here. All right, let's go take a look at the master bedroom. This master bedroom is the size of many apartments now in the city. Again, no shortage of TVs, as I said. I believe that's an 80-inch TV. Get another angle on this bedroom here. This is exercises up here. As you can see, the stationary bike. So if you're interested in renting this, I will put our email in the description, so you can email us at expatcrib.com/contact, and we will put you in touch with the representative that is renting this out. Let's take a look at the walk-in. Plenty of space for clothes. His and hers wall. So this is the master bedroom washroom. Again, they have dual rain showers in here. Beautiful sinks. All right, let's go out and take one last look at this beautiful deck, or I should say decks. They extend all the way around the apartment. Take another look at this beautiful jacuzzi. One last look at the entertainment area. And before we close off here, I'm going to take you up to the last level. They've actually just put in some AstroTurf up there, but they've had many parties up there where they actually have a glass floor. You can actually see right here, but they put AstroTurf in, and I guess if they have parties now, they put in a dance floor. So let's go take a look. Oh, look at this, it's just ready for a football match. Oh my gosh. Very nice. They often bring up the patio furniture up here when they have get-togethers or parties. But wow, check out that view. Absolutely love this angle of the view here in the city. So as I said, if you're interested in a 3 to 6 month rental, it could be starting this year or next year. They haven't booked the cruise yet, but they have an idea. And again, reach out to us at expatcrib.com/contact, and we'll put you in touch with the person who's going to rent the place out for them. All right, so we will end again with my favorite view here. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.